Sinoneo Magnetic Grids, the advanced technology for efficient magnetic filtration. Welcome to our video on magnetic grids, also known as magnetic grates or magnetic grills. These innovative products are a true masterpiece of advanced technology. Sinoneo Magnets are proud to offer magnetic grids that are manufactured using high-energy rare earth neodymium magnets and stainless steel tubes, all crafted through a unique manufacturing process. So, what makes these magnetic grids so special? Well, they are designed to attract even the tiniest particles from the carrier material. This ensures the integrity of your equipment and the safety of your products. With stainless steel frames available in different shapes, like round, square, or rectangular, and equipped with magnetic bars or rods, these grids are ingeniously constructed. When fine particle materials pass through the magnetic grids, the iron particles are magnetically attracted and firmly adsorbed on the magnetic tubes. This allows for the efficient removal of ferromagnetic impurities in powder, granular raw materials, liquid, or slurry. It's a reliable and effective solution for industries such as ceramics, electricity, mining, plastics, chemicals, rubber, pharmaceuticals, food, and many more. Our magnetic grids are not only efficient but also highly customizable. You can choose from a range of optional features to meet your specific application requirements. For example, we offer high-strength magnets that provide greater magnetic force and capture even the finest ferrous particles. This is particularly important for applications with large volumes of material. Another optional feature is easy clean design. We understand the importance of easy maintenance, so our magnetic grids can be designed to be easily cleaned, either manually or automatically. This saves you time and effort, ensuring a hassle-free operation. In summary, magnetic grids are an excellent solution for effective magnetic filtration. With their advanced technology, high-energy magnets, and customizable features, they provide a reliable and efficient way to remove ferromagnetic impurities from various raw materials. At Sinoneo Magnets, we're dedicated to delivering the highest quality magnetic products, including magnetic grids, to industries worldwide. Trust us for all your magnetic filtration needs. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to us. We're here to assist you.